Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn 50 useful English phrases, from basic to advanced. These are common expressions that native English speakers use in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Basic English phrases. Magandang umaga. Good morning. Kamusta ka? How are you? Mabuti ako. Salamat. I'm fine, thank you. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Nice to meet you. Pakiusap. Please. Salamat. Thank you. Walang anuman. You're welcome. Makikiraan po o paumanhin. Excuse me? Pasensya na. I'm sorry. Magandang araw sa'yo. Have a nice day. Beginner to intermediate phrases. Hindi ko naiintindihan. I don't understand. Pwede mo bang ulitin? Could you repeat that, please? Ano ang ibig mong sabihin? What do you mean? Sang-ayon ako. I agree. Sa tingin ko, hindi. I don't think so. May katuturan yun. That makes sense. Huwag kang magmadali. Take your time. Walang problema. No worries. Ikaw ang bahala. It's up to you. Gagawin ko ang aking makakaya. I'll do my best. Intermediate phrases. Pinahahalagahan ko ang tulong mo. I appreciate your help. Inaabangan ko iyon. I'm looking forward to it. Depende. It depends. Mag-usap pa rin tayo. Let's keep in touch. Ipinagmamalaki kita. I'm proud of you. Huwag kang susuko. Don't give up. Magiging maayos din ang lahat. Everything will be okay. Maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Believe in yourself. Kaya mo yan. You can do it. Manatiling positibo. Stay positive. Advanced English phrases. Mas mahalaga ang ginagawa kaysa sa sinasabi. Actions speak louder than words. May magandang kapalit ang bawat pagsubok. Every cloud has a silver lining. Ang pagsasanay ang susi sa paghusay. Practice makes perfect. Mas mabuti ng huli kaysa hindi kailanman. Better late than never. Ang tagumpay ay hindi nakakamit agad. Rome wasn't built in a day. Huwag husgahan ang tao sa panlabas na anyo. Don't judge a book by its cover. Matuto sa iyong mga pagkakamali. Learn from your mistakes. Lumabas sa iyong nakasanayang lugar. Step out of your comfort zone. Huwag tumigil sa pagkatuto. Never stop learning. Ang tagumpay ay nangangailangan ng tiyaga. Success takes patience. Advanced conversation phrases. Lubos akong sang-ayon. I couldn't agree more. Magandang punto iyan. That's a great point. Kung ako ang nasa kalagayan mo. If I were you. Sa pananaw ko. From my perspective. Sa totoo lang. To be honest. Sa pagkakaalam ko. As far as I know. Mas madaling sabihin kaysa gawin. That's easier said than done. Sulitin natin ito. Let's make the most of it. Sa huli. At the end of the day. Patuloy lang sa pag-usad. Keep moving forward. Great job! You just learned 50 useful English phrases from basic to advanced. Try using a few of these phrases every day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in speaking English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!